Hello everyone, welcome to Byju's Exam Prep. I am Vipin Kumar. Now, in this interesting session, we are going to take a look into the mindset of gate topper. एक गेट टॉपर के दिमाग में क्या चल रहा होता है, उसकी स्ट्रेटेजी क्या होती है एग्जाम की, इस क्लास में, इस सेशन में हम बात करेंगे. ओके, सो द सेशन इज स्नीक पिक इनटू गेट टॉपर्स माइंडसेट. वो किस तरह सोचता है, हाउ डू दे थिंक. ओके, इस टॉपिक में हम बात करेंगे. बिफोर दैट लेट अस मेक सम अनाउंसमेंट्स. सो गाइज, दीज सेशंस, दीज जनरल सेशंस, टेक्निकल सेशंस we bring on YouTube just for you, but we have so many things going on the app, so it will be really good if you join the app. It will be really better for your preparation journey. Okay, so download the app. How will you download the app? By scanning this QR code. So as I told you that so many things, we have free app classes, we have workshops, we have practice sessions, mock test, scholarship test, and so many other things. So download the Byju's Exam Prep app. How will you download? Download either using this, scanning this QR code, or the link that is given. You can click on that, or you can just write, it's a small bit.ly link, or you can directly scan this QR code. So the sessions that I took in the last week on free app class was this. Upcoming week I will be taking these sessions. So be very attentive, and this all information you will directly get if you are on app. We do not have to tell you all this. Okay, so these are people who are on only YouTube. Download the app, you will get all the information of workshops, scholarship test, everything. Okay, and also guys, free app classes we bring for people who have done their 50-60% of syllabus. But if you are in your early stage of your preparation, if you are just starting preparation, then I would recommend you join Vision Gate 2024 batch. Every you have to call the counselor and ask when is the new batch starting. So much to offer in this batch, so much to offer. We offer live classes, recorded sessions as well, study material, practice quizzes, mock test. All these things are provided in the Vision Gate 2024 batch. How will you connect? You call this number given, and all this information is also available on the app. So download this app, just scan this QR code and download this app. Okay, now also there is Telegram channels. You can directly connect with us for any doubts that you have. All the faculties, Byju's faculties, mechanical faculties are there in this group. So you can directly join the group by scanning this QR code directly. If you want to connect with me, you can download this. You can join this group by using this QR code. So scan this QR code and connect with me directly for any doubts. All the PPTs I share here, I share in this group. This PPT will also I will share. Okay, chalo. And guys, as I said, on the app you constantly have workshops for your guidance. You also have scholarship test for your financial assistant. So all this information you will get if you on app. So download app. How will you download? Scan this QR code and download. That's it. So today on 10th we also have this scholarship test. Do not forget to attend the scholarship test if you want to join the Vision Gate 2024 batch. Chalo, let's start. I will give you a brief introduction about me. I have 6+ years of teaching experience, GATE, ESC, AE, JEE and all other exams. I have done my MTech from IIT Kharagpur. I have done my MSc from Politecnico di Milano. 3.5 years of industry and research experience I have. 3.5 years of industry and research experience I have. Okay. And I have few research publications as well. And what is my area of expertise? Basic and applied thermodynamics and heat transfer. Okay. चलो, अब आते हैं सेशन पे. सो सेशन है स्नीक पीक इनटू गेट टॉपर्स माइंडसेट. सी व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन इन द गेट टॉपर्स माइंड. And these are all strategies of success. These are all strategies of success. How are you going to get success in your GATE exam? कैसे मिलेगी गुड रैंक, कैसे आओगे टॉपर बनके. ओके चलो. Now you have to understand one thing, that it is not only the test of your engineering exam, but it also requires dedication, a very rigid strategy and very smart work. Just work is not enough. Smart work is required. Smart work is required. So topper has a very rigid strategy. He is very dedicated and his approach to work is smart. Not just work. करते रहोगे क्वेश्चन does not will help you. मिस्टेक्स क्या आ रही हैं, दिक्कत क्या आ रही है, क्या वीक पार्ट्स हैं, क्या चीज रिवाइज करनी है, शॉर्ट नोट्स कैसे बनाने हैं, ये स्ट्रेटेजी दिमाग में होनी चाहिए. तो एक एक करके देखते हैं सारे पॉइंट्स, क्या आपके दिमाग में चलना चाहिए. इफ यू वांट टू बी अ गेट टॉपर, इफ यू वांट टू बी अ गेट टॉपर, व्हाट शुड बी इन योर माइंड. नाउ द फर्स्ट थिंग, स्टार्टिंग अर्ली. सो ऑल द टॉपर्स फॉर एनी एग्जाम दे हैव ऑलरेडी सेट देयर गोल. दिस ईयर आई विल बी टेकिंग गेट एग्जाम. सो दे डू नॉट गो हियर एंड देयर. They join where they join and they start their preparation as early as possible. At least 8 to 9 months, in fact 8 to 10 months before the GATE exam, they start their preparation. Especially around March, April, they start their preparation. They join the batches wherever they want to and they start their preparation. और जो नॉर्मल है, जो लाइक ठीक है दे ना दे, देना चाहिए नहीं देना चाहिए, पास हो पाएंगे नहीं हो पाएंगे, वो अभी तक सोच रहे हैं कि कब दें, कैसे दें, क्या करें. तो इफ यू वांट टू हैव अ गुड रैंक, इफ यू वांट टू गेट अ गुड रैंक, स्टार्ट एज अर्ली एज पॉसिबल. स्टार्ट एज अर्ली एज पॉसिबल. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज कंसिस्टेंसी. कंसिस्टेंसी होता क्या है कि द स्टूडेंट्स दे डू नॉट डेडिकेट इनफ टाइम डेली. They study 1 hour today, 2 hour today, half an hour today, day before tomorrow. Okay, and एक दिन वीकेंड में पढ़ाई नहीं की. So this is not it is how it is going to work. Every day, dedicated hours, dedicated schedule is going to work. You do not have to study everything in 1 month of the exam. Start from today. Be consistent from today. Dedicated number of hours, dedicated number of schedule. Subjects should be from the beginning. From the beginning. Be always consistent. Be always consistent. Okay? ऐसा नहीं है एक दिन 4 घंटे पढ़ लिया, एक दिन 1 भी घंटा नहीं पढ़ा. नहीं, डेली 2 घंटे पढ़ो चाहे, लेकिन डेली पढ़ो, डेली पढ़ो. कंसिस्टेंसी इज द की. क्वालिटी ओवर क्वांटिटी. अब आप 5 घंटे बैठे रहो, लेकिन योर फोकस इज समवेयर एल्स. यू हैव बुक्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू फॉर 6 hours, बट योर माइंड इज समवेयर एल्स. So that 6 hours is a complete waste. You study 3 hours, you study half the time, 3 hours, but be focused. Focus on quality rather than quantity. 3 घंटे with dedicated focus you need to work. Dedicated focus. Active learning, not passive learning. Focus on active learning. How effectively you are using those 3 hours is the matter, not how many hours you are giving. So prefer quality over quantity. They always prefer quality over quantity. Okay. Next is real time simulation. And how will you do real time simulation of your exam? Mock test. You take any previous year question, full paper, not subject wise, full paper. Fix 3 hours. I am going to finish this paper in 3 hours. नहीं कर पा रहे हो छोड़ दो. एक हफ्ते बाद नेक्स्ट वीक टेक अनदर पेपर. नहीं कर पा रहे हो छोड़ दो, बट ओनली गिव 3 hours. Only try to attempt the complete paper in 3 hours. Do not think ki, okay, today I will give 5 hours, in exam I will be able to solve in 3 hours. No, not going to work. Not going to work. 3 hours, complete paper. If you are not able to solve, leave it. Keep doing it until you do not reach the point that you are able to solve complete paper in 3 hours. Okay? Keep doing this until you are not able to solve it in 3 hours. Okay? Then what is next? What is next? Continuous feedback. Continuous feedback. So when you are attempting practice quizzes or tests or exam simulations, okay, same question, same paper you are doing in 3 hours, always write down where you are making the mistakes very frequently. The topics that you are making mistakes very frequently are your weak points. वो डुबा देंगे तुम्हें. वही वो टॉपिक्स हैं जो तुम्हें गेट टॉपर बनने से रोक रहे हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि you are studying everything in thermodynamics again and again. Everything is not required. Only small few things are required, and then after second or third revision, till second or third you have to study everything. But after that, focus on your weak points. So analyze your exams, whatever you are taking, and analyze your mock test, analyze your practice quizzes. What are the areas in this particular subject that I am very frequently doing wrong? Very frequently doing wrong. Okay? If you are able to do that, then you will be able to identify your weak points. You will be able to identify your weak points, and you can focus on your weak points. Only those weak areas are stopping you to be a gate topper. So focus on that. Otherwise, rest of the topic to everyone is doing. Okay? Syllabus mastery. Very accurately you need to know what is the syllabus. Very accurately. So that you do not miss even a single thing. You see, sometimes you see a question and you see, is it in the syllabus? In what topic is it? So syllabus should be in your mind for each and every subject. It's small point. So you do not miss any important topic. You need to know from which topic of which subject is it. This should be एकदम साफ, एकदम crystal clear. What is the syllabus of my exam? Not PSU, not ESC, not SSCJ, not EAE, I don't know. GATE, if you are focusing GATE exam, then what is the syllabus of GATE exam? Accurately, it should be in your mind. Then seeking guidance. Whenever you come across your, weak points, always connect with your mentors, always connect with your teachers. We have Telegram groups for this. Why don't you join Telegram group? Attempts, go for workshops that we have on app. So download app. We have workshops regularly. In each month we have around 2 workshops. So always reach out to your mentors, your teachers, attend your workshops and seminars that we do, so that you know how you can use your time effectively, efficiently. Also, by connecting with us, you can clear your doubts. And guys, health is very important. Because, for example, if you in a week, you study 8 hours per day, you are not taking care of your health, the next week you will fall ill, and you will not be able to give even 1 hour. So it is complete loss. No, study 3 hours, 4 hours per day, take care of your health, go for a run, go for a jog, go for a walking, eat healthy, okay, take care of your body, take enough sleep. So taking care of health is as important as giving time for your preparation. If you want to go in the long run, you have to take care of your health as well, okay? And the last point is continuous learning. We teach few things in class, and that is more than enough. But A gate topper will always go to books. He will always go to other sources of information, questions, previous year question, new questions. They will always seek new material to study. But after studying what we have given you, then they will go. But you will always keep solving the same question 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Not going to help. Not going to help. Not going to help. Always look for new resources. Always look for new resources. Then only you will have an edge from other students. So these are the few points, 9 top points that will make you the gate topper if you work on them. And I know your preparation journey can be hard, so that is the reason we keep bringing up some entertaining sessions for you. For example, Super Saturdays, Sunday Ka Funda, in which we try to come up with something new for you, so that you will come out of your boring. I mean, I know it is boring, okay? I know it is monotonous. Monotonous means same thing daily. Wake up, study, sleep, eat, sleep, wake up, study, same. So life can be monotonous. So what you can do? We bring up these sessions just to get you out, just to motivate you and get you out of that zone. Okay, so I hope this session will be valuable for you. Follow these steps if you want to score a top rank. Okay, chalo, I'll see you in the next session. Thank you so much. Bye bye.